feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To change your USB port settings to only supply power mode, you'll typically need to dive into device settings or BIOS. Firstly, check your computer's power management settings in the device manager, and look for options under USB settings or similar. If no such option exists, reboot into your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. Here, look for USB configuration where you might find an option to disable data, turning the port into power supply mode. Remember, specifics vary by system, so consult your motherboard's manual for precise instructions.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.